This is how I like to hook my mice tails. I go about like 1 or 2 little ridges on the mice tail, the part of the worm, and then I feed it through the head. Like that. And that's how it is. That's how the hook exposure is. It's a good hook exposure in my opinion. That's how I like setting them up with those TW hooks. Also with the mosquito hooks, but I'm starting to prefer these hooks better. So yeah guys, tie lines, hopefully it helps you. Tie lines.